Now this is the MP3 player of our time. This is the Bluetooth speaker of our generation. This is what people used to use 30,000 years ago. So before fire was a thing, before the wheel was invented, we had these little music players to keep us entertained. Now this particular music player plays a song called Merry Christmas. No idea what that is because it hasn't been invented yet, but nevertheless, this is what you do. You open it up and you turn this little handle, and if you listen very carefully, amazing. What the hell am I doing? What is this? This hasn't been invented yet either. Anyway, what it is what I just demonstrated. It is a novelty item. It's a gift that you might give someone on Christmas, but you can get loads of different songs, famous songs as well. It doesn't have to be Christmas. You can get, you know, famous, actual, proper songs as well. And what I like about it is it's well crafted. I do appreciate well crafted things, and this is well made. It's wood, and you know, all the joins it's joined together. I'm sure they use a bit of adhesive or glue or something, but it's actually joined together just by how it's fitted, if that makes sense. So the actual cuts itself within the wood are so well cut and so precisely cut that it all just sticks together. Nice little folding lid, gives you the name of the song. Nice little metal handle which you can turn and actually, you know, play the song. And inside you can see the mechanism of how it works. Once again, to demonstrate exactly how it works on the inside, I'm going to use this magical device, which again has not yet been invented yet, to show you exactly how it works inside. So as you spin the wheel, you can see this metal thing right here has little, you know, bumps onto it which hit the actual musical notes, and that's literally it. It's a really simple mechanism, really nicely built, and I just think in this day and age where everything is so technical and so electronic, just showing that you can actually have a music box that can play a particular song over and over again with no power, no charging, just a simple hand crank, and it's lovely. It's beautiful. I really like it. I don't know why. I mean, it has no purpose, but it's a beautiful little thing, and that's basically why I'm reviewing it. So I will leave a link to it in the description below, and yeah, go check it out. I think it was literally like £5. Really cheap, and certain companies, I think they can, you know, you can even have a customized message. So really cool gift idea. I think it's something quite special. So yeah, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Go ahead, check it out. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Also turn on channel notifications so you never miss any of my new uploads. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and until next time, feed your mind.